శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీ దేవి, వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. సూత మహర్షి ఈజ్ గివింగ్ శ్రీమద్భాగవత ప్రవచనం టు Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Vidura is now talking to Dhritarashtra Maharaju, saying that, O Raja, O my dear brother, Kalikalam is getting very close. The moment Kali comes, nobody will have good qualities. The moment Kali comes, you will not be able to focus upon Paramatma anymore. That is why, O Raja, now, right now, make sure your mind is occupied with Paramatma. Start doing right now all those activities." Like that, when Vidura said to Dhritarashtra, Dhritarashtra's Prajnachakshuhu bodhita, he immediately realized, his Jnana Netram opened. Then he immediately left his house, left his home, left all the people, and left the attachment with each and everyone. Sneha pasan nischakrama. The moment he realized whatever Vidura said, all the attachments got detached. Now, as and how Vidura said, Dhritarashtra started walking towards northern side. As Dhritarashtra started going that side, Patim prayantam Subalasya putri Pativratacha Anujagama sadhvi. Gandhari also realized Dhritarashtra is going by detaching everything. Immediately Gandhari followed her husband, because Gandhari is such a great Paramapativrata. Now Gandhari, Dhritarashtra going towards Himalayas. "O Maharshis, Dhritarashtra has taken a very good, very smart decision. His decision, his timely action is going to be standing as an example, as an inspiration to all the people in future." O Maharshis, after Dhritarashtra and Gandhari left, here in Hastina, Dharmaraju, as usual, he got up early in the morning next day. Ajatashatruhu Krutamaitraha Hutagnihi. He did his Sandhya Vandanam, Agni Karyam, Devataradhana. And every day, after doing all these things, Dharmaraju goes to elderly people, Dhritarashtra and Gandhari, and he does namaskaram to them. In the same way, today also he finished all of his aradhana and everything, and gruham pravishto guru vandanaya. he went to Dhritarashtra's palace to do namaskaram to Dhritarashtra and Gandhari. But na apasyat, he could not see Dhritarashtra and Gandhari over there. Tatra Sanjayam asinam, Sanjaya is sitting over there. He immediately asked, "Oh Sanjaya, where is my Dhritarashtra?" "Oh Sanjaya," by then Dharmaraju is having kind of restlessness, kind of fear about Dhritarashtra and Gandhari. With that fear, he is asking, "Oh Sanjaya, where is my Dhritarashtra? Where is my Gandhari?" Because of their loss, such a huge loss they had, all of their sons got killed. With that kind of unbearable grief, and also maybe they are suspecting me, thinking that I may do some more harm to them. With that kind of thoughts, hope they have not gone to Ganges, Ganga river and drowned themselves in the Ganga. Sanjaya, please tell me about my Gandhari and my Dhritarashtra. Like that, Dharmaraju, having so much of concern towards Gandhari and Dhritarashtra, he is asking Sanjaya. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Oh Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Oh Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava." Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.